A pattern is a general idea for which there may be many examples. A single example of a pattern is called an instance. Here are 3 instances of a pattern using a power of 10. 42 times 10 to the 0 power is equal to 42 times 1. 3.14 times 10 to the 0 power is equal to 3.14 times 1. And 125 times 10 to the 0 power is equal to 125 times 1. In words, multiplying a number by 10 to the 0 power is the same as multiplying the number by 1. And here is the pattern in symbols. N times 10 to the 0 power is equal to n times 1. The letter n is called a variable. A variable is a symbol that can stand for any one of a set of numbers. Here's another pattern. X to the 0 power is equal to 1. In words, any number except 0 taken to the 0 power is equal to 1. Here are 3 instances. 42 to the 0 power is equal to 1. 3.14 to the 0 power is equal to 1. And 125 to the 0 power is equal to 1. The set of numbers that the variable x could represent might be described as any real number except 0 or any positive or negative number. Here is the pattern for converting Fahrenheit temperatures to Celsius. We say that the Celsius temperature is equal to 5/9 the quantity of the Fahrenheit temperature, take away 32. And we're going to pick a number to put in for the Fahrenheit temperature, one that we know the answer for. We're going to pick 32. 32 is the number of degrees Fahrenheit that water freezes. And we happen to know that that number in the Celsius scale is 0. So let's see if our pattern works. We do 32 take away 32, we get 0. We take 5/9 of 0 and we get 0. And that tells us that if the Fahrenheit temperature is 32 degrees, then the Celsius temperature is 0 degrees. Let's try another one that we know. We know that water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So we'll put in 212 for F. We'll do 212 minus 32 to get 180. We'll take 5/9 of 180, and we'll get 100. And we've just learned that if the Fahrenheit temperature is 212 degrees, then the Celsius temperature is 100 degrees. And we'll do one more instance. We'll pick a number that we're not sure the answer. 59 degrees Fahrenheit. We plug it in. That's called substitution. 59 minus 32 is 27. 5/9 of 27 is 15. And we've just learned that if the Fahrenheit temperature is 59 degrees, then the Celsius temperature is 15 degrees. In this lesson, we learned that a pattern is a general idea for which there may be many examples. A single example of a pattern is called an instance. A letter, such as n, is called a variable. A variable is a symbol that can stand for any one of a set of numbers.